Hi.
Did you see me?
I saw you.
So, what's happening?
Nothing.
Where are you guys going?
In there.
For what?
I mean.
Fee! Fee!
Ella, what is that? Okay.
Why are you doing this to me? Where are the vows you promised? Where did I go wrong? You told me you would stand by me no matter what. So why now, Fee? Please don't do this to me. You told me you would love me. Please. Talk of it. In my house. My matrimonial bed. Fee, why? Please, I beg you, don't do this. And you're a woman like me. Why do you want to destroy a home? Why? Because I can't have a baby. She brought you here to replace me. That's it. Thank you, Fee.
Fee, where is she? Why didn't you tell me you are married? I even asked you. You told me not to mind her. Fee. Can you come in? Allow me to go. You better go and sort whatever you have with your wife. Fee, you can't stand my anger. Please don't provoke me.
I'm not trying to go.
biam nam de bokona mate sembi fi no ntina magya de meye nyina matum ni kaba esan se mawari esimi naso awari amowari mi anam hira so na oyire din sembe bra betum anima in fact ehame na se osofo a bi hira wade ne so no se mama na me ne wa ma me kasa na se me ya ye mistake oyire ka kire me se utimi de oba ba fie ha wife say na say atiti a wode ni fam ofie ha no wakodwen ne wawofo eso ntisa wa ware no mi ana me hira wade yesu utimi ene ne ko anyhow ono aduane a o hire ndi uyi baako mienu na wagya to ho niema ensem fata nko na ase nensen wo de nadi ni nyina gina awo no so ntira ohene fi sana o kristo ni bema ese wo ye sisi ano pese wo ho kodwan obusuafo no na mudi oba ne ani ana na ni ntina wo ye sa
Semire tuma same ho abeka. Nsem bi ekoso fi acho na semire started ton me.
oyire eton
That is how I say it.
na wura fi seme na mihira wade ne so
Papa, the women say no matter what the situation will go, we can solve issues by ourselves, not bringing the issue outside.
bala by pastor
Papa, me challenge you. Oh, now said the nyama city no. Papa, what be the dance say you worry 5 to 6 good years in you. I want my. Share a day I'm a pages you. Papa, she dream suicide. But jeopardy me wo. Tia me for samba BBC na papa. You fret as if us who is going to inherit our bona fide property.
oh
We need to get a son, we need to get a daughter. And when I make a trim, you will say, one no so. One can't tell them one cannon. One cannon. I wouldn't know I said, Papa, watch him now. Wow.
na se awo nyame na de ma
My name is Yamina de my mouse. I do say, Papa, watch me now. And no neck can know ye difficult, Mamma. I didn't. Even to say, become a new. And to say, brace soon as Papa. Me boy, you turn up. What a bed am I?
bo yu tena
What a bed am I?
be ma wa ware o fa oyire chi asa oyire na kofa wa chi se bia awo no so free wa aka be ne den
Papa, look at her. Said
aka o de fa wo nan hye oyire shoe ana wura fi se wo gina ota anim e na mo ka for better for worse se papa o boni o woni na se boni na e ba kakra wo dwane afri boni no
And what kind of make every day much?
me kan na o kan bi di machi
Papa, and they don't be surprised. Because what kind of make every day much?
sa
Papa or Bonnie more. And I'm switching to Papa or Bonnie more.
nti mi na me kan sem no
And I make every day much.
e na o repeat ye nti hu ni se e yetra keke nti obetima ko gina otumfo anim na wa hyebo otumfo ka se yesei waka no so waka bi nti obeka ka kire otumfo se otumfo wo kan na me kan bi
I know Tina Papa, so quiet. I hear this somewhere you say, so we yari free man. And no, have me yare. What yari? It was so treaty.
awo nyame na de man e bidie di 15 years 25 years 30 years 6 years pay na wontimi ntwen fi moni mra ho so se mo ware wo kristo mu man ware wiase mu moni mra ho so kame nja de me ye ma
You also me ye Papa. And now drop in a man to me. You are holding in a big so. Papa, me and then soon now.
mako check up
Papa, you're coming here, sister.
ye mom pai ne rade be misrew hwe na wantete oba no twene ben sa mere ohia ono aduane adi na nya botai enkofo ba ma wa ofie ba bi a woda wo mpa a woda so eye no me kra enye sabida eye no me nyame hira ma wo so emmemma omo ye saa ne ema ni nyina omo adwuma sam timi hya asesesei o se ne se meba bia na wa tese wa basa adwuma sam hya asesei ko wa hya ase fa wo yirachi enye enome do de meko dwene ho na sesa wa adwene na se wo sesa Awurade beje wo na eden a oba no so de mo benya bi ya mom pai me da wase Awurade show ho an munyam e wa ko abrabo ma bibia wie peyo wa wo emu wo Yesu dim amen.
Abede. Somehow told me, get out. Talk to me. Could you believe that Fee is married?
What? Fee is married? No, I don't believe this. How? God, man.
What's that, Joseph?
Man.
Joseph. He took me to his house yesterday. I was so happy because when I got it, the man is fucking loaded.
Wow, I said it! The man is loaded!
My dear,
I'm
so happy.
Are you not happy?
There is more to it.
What are you saying?
When I got to the compound, the house, the cars, I was so happy.
Yeah, you have to be happy.
But there is more to it.
What is it? Tell me.
When we entered into his couch, there was a lady there. I thought maybe the lady is his sister or whatever. I patiently greeted her. And this lady stared at me up and down. So I asked Fee that, who is this lady? Because when we walked in, the lady called him Fee in that kind of tone. I asked Fee that, who is this lady? She was like, oh, calm down, let's go. Like, you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, I know.
Then we got inside. He took me to the room. We got inside. He told me he has left something in the car. He's going to bring it. I patiently waited for him. Then the lady just walked in.
In his bedroom.
According to the lady, Fee is her husband.
So
what? She's married to Fee. And Fee is doing all this because she can't conceive. Oh yes, the lady is barren.
Oh my God. That's good. This is chance. So, like, want me what? So, if you can't win your chance now, only bit me. I mean, over to me, craft a beman a bobo. What am I saying?
Stop it. The lady is going through pain.
So what?
Emotional trauma.
So what? Oh no, oh yeah, buy no jija man for ku. Oh nyan worry ye no. Na onje obi de. Na beman no kro nim say, oh go through pains.
Were you there?
That's what you told me right now.
No, someone say, oh yeah, buy no now.
Oh baby, dear. Oh sister, that is how the person behaves. Oh nyan worry ye nkwa de o timi dia man for ku nachi. Na nyame aya adom na ba ne nwa. Na wo ba be complaining. Obu ne yere na akodu ko fi ho. Ono odu ko fi ho na onwen se ne yere ti fi ho. Sister, you got dream you. Think.
Tilly. Tilly, please, Tilly. Tilly, me sorry back up.
Mary, I'm tired. Please, let's sleep, okay?
Tilly, you are telling me at least one will be okay.
Mary. No, listen. Now I don't want to make love with you without any protective measures, okay? And you don't have anything around that we can use to protect ourselves.
Tilly, but I know why you were. This is not the first time.
I'm ovulating.
Tilly, you told me this same story last week and you... Tilly, what do you mean? At least...
That's how my body works now.
Tilly, please, stop what you're doing, please.
Baby, please, I'm tired. Please. I'm tired.
Tilly, will you back up? I'm so...
Barry, you loving me doesn't mean I can't have my privacy. I've been tolerating certain things. Now you are overdoing it. Please.
Tilly, me or guy, Tilly.
I know. I know.
Sorry, Jenna to say.
I know. If we protect ourselves, I'm ready to make love to you.
Tilly, not really about that, Ben.
Think about me too. Don't try it. Don't try it. I said don't try it. Divide it into 3 parts. Cross your finger like this. Okay. Then you cross your other finger like that. Okay. So you do it continuously. You see it's braiding.
Hey, said the ocean, the room so.
Me who shake.
Oh, yeah, I got that.
And then who shake.
Good day.
You guys should go inside, okay? I'll get back.
I believe you'll be surprised to see me this wonderful and a great morning. But don't be surprised because whatever I love, when I'm even to kill myself and get it, I'll definitely kill myself and get it. So don't be surprised.
What do you want here?
Of course you. It's you that I want. And it's by His grace I've gotten you. If you know my kind, please offer me a seat, because a gentleman of my caliber need not to stand and be talking to a beautiful lady like you.
I don't offer lawyers a seat at my workplace.
That is your perception, but in the normal circumstance, it wasn't a lie. Whatever I told you, I felt I needed to hide something. Then from there, I give it out. I will not lie. How can a rich man, lie? It's obviously impossible. Oh. So it's a matter of you offering me a nice chair. Then I can give you my dialogues. Why is that to flatten your heart? Because I have prepared and I've come.
Whatever. You can sit.
Butter.
my God.
I'm only here to tell you I'm really sorry for what really transpired. That wasn't what I wanted. But man proposes, God disposes. And under normal circumstance, I can't hide her because she's my wife. But something went wrong and I thought I needed to neglect her, forsake her, abandon her. So I get a lady who will understand and share my sentiment. That is what really happened. So I'm sorry. I love you so much. It's one out of 1,000 for me to chase a lady 2 occasions. No. I do what I want, but you touches my heart so much. It's better when you look at me from that angle of your eye. It speaks a lot to me.
I'm not enticed by your words. So go straight to the reason why you came here.
The reason why I'm here is to tell you I'm so sorry for what happened. And I love you so much. I'm ever ready to give you whatever you want, if only you accept my proposal. Nothing more, nothing else.
Fim, you lied to me.
I'm sorry. I am truly sorry. If only you permit me to hold your shoulder to clear my mind.
No, please don't touch me.
Are you rejecting my hands?
Don't touch me yet.
And don't forget, my hands can do so many things that you least suspect. Giving you something of your heart, I can't use my leg. Giving something that will place you, I can't use any part of my body apart from my hands. So, with all due respect, for the second time, permit me to hold your shoulder to clear my mind. What a beautiful and soft skin.
Mesmerizing.
Oh my God, no. That is not what you think. Allow me to enter into you. Allow me to be, a man of your life. And read my lips. I'll never let you down.
Why didn't you tell me you had a wife?
Like I told you from the beginning, I should have, but I felt I needed to hide her for the meantime, so that when we get to the peak of it, so I can declare, everything. But I'm really sorry. That was my perception, but I didn't know it was going to affect you to the maximum level like that. I'm so sorry.
Then you have to appreciate me.
Oh my God. That one wouldn't be a problem at all. I am surprised you're telling me to give her something, but don't forget you're talking to a man of flamboyant, who is not afraid of money. When we talk of money, I don't give a damn shit to money. So just tell me whatever you want and I'll be ever ready to give it to you by the flip of my hands.
Whatever your heart desires.
A lady of your choice, I need not to come out with my type or whatever you asked, whatever I want. You should tell me whatever you want. It's coming out of your heart, but not my heart.
Alright. I need money.
And don't forget, I told them I'm a man of flamboyant. I'm not afraid of money. I am rich. I'm damn rich. So tell me what you want.
I need 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Ole? Ole? Alright, if that is what you places, I don't have any problem about it. But the most important thing, I'm going to add you a trip to Dubai, 10 days holidays, back to Ghana, and to be precise, sleep in a hotel. To be precise, got into the hotel for 10 days. If only that will be okay for you.
Come again?
Of course, you heard what I said. You asked for 10,000 Ghana cedis from me. To me, I don't classify such money as money. So I'm going to add your trip to Dubai, 10 days holidays over there, back to Ghana, then to be precise, sleep in a garden to the hotel for 10 good days. If that will be pleased, you'll be pleased with it. I wouldn't have any problem. That is me, feel for sure.
Forgiving you, you know what?
No.
I love you from the moon and back.
I love you more too.
Mm.